What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable floating shutter button on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open camera. Now click on this settings icon and then scroll down, and here click on shooting methods. Now here you will see a floating shutter button. So if you want to enable this feature, then tap on this button to turn it on, and after turning on this button, open your camera, and then here you will see a extra shutter button that is floating on the screen. So you can adjust this button anywhere on the screen, and then you can tap on this button to take picture or record video. Now if you want to disable this floating shutter button, then open settings again, scroll down and click on shooting methods, and then turn off floating shutter button. Now after turning off this button, the shutter button will disappear. So that's how you can enable or disable floating shutter button on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.